This is a quick review of the Waykar. This is their 80 pint a day dehumidifier. They have a 34 and a 150 option also. This is rated at 5,000 square feet. If we take a look at the front panel, we have options for fan speed. We have a timer, plus and minus button is going to be for humidity and also for the timer. And then we have a swing option also. Let's go ahead and turn on the power. So this is going to suck air in from the back and blow air up through the top. This is actually blowing pretty good. And then we can hit the swing option if we want to. This is going to blow out cool and warm air. It has an auto defrost option on it. If we take a look at the back, we have the option to add a hose, so it will run continuously. There's also a filter on the back that you can clean as needed. Just pop this back cover off and you get access to the filter. You have handles on the side, and then it is on rollers, so it's real easy to move around without any problems. And then again, we have options for fan speed. We can put it on a quiet mode or a loud mode essentially, high or low. And then of course you can put it on a timer also if you just want it to run for 1-2 hours, whatever you'd like. And then we can also turn the swing setting off. Let's check for loudness. What is the dB rating on this unit? Looks like we're running right about 55 dB. This is going to be on low speed. Put the swing. It looks like right about 61 is going to be on the high mode. There is an alarm that will beep when the water gets full. If you're using this, this will hold just over a gallon. I think it's 1.13. There is a handle on this, real easy, and it's got a float, so it'll let you know. That is essentially what the alarm will sound like when it gets full, and it will automatically turn off. All you have to do is just drain out the water, and then of course, put this back in and you're ready to go.